400 plus FPS on Cyberpunk? Holy moly, are you kidding me? What I'm about to show you in this video is gonna blow your mind. Today, we will be building one of the most powerful gaming PC build we have ever done on the channel, guys. I mean, the kind of configuration, the type of components I'll be using, right? Totally next level stuff. So this is going to be like an ultimate all ROG gaming battle station and features like top spec stuff, guys. The whole price of this whole gaming PC setup that we'll be showcasing today is gonna cost roughly around like 8 lakh rupees. So I'm like super excited to talk about this thing. Definitely make sure to watch it till the end, guys, because this is like dream stuff for all the gamers out there. Now you people know, right? Intel has just announced their all new Lake refresh CPUs just a few days ago. I even made a video on it showcasing what sort of CPUs you're getting, what basically is new over here. It's basically like a refresh for the already existing Lake CPUs, and you're getting plenty of interesting stuff, guys. So Intel has showcased two CPUs, Intel Core Ultra 7 and also Core Ultra 5. Today we'll be using this Core Ultra 7 CPU only in this particular build, and let me tell you, Intel has gone all out with this CPU, guys. This is one of their fastest gaming chipset you can actually buy right now from the brand. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the configuration and talk about the components we'll be using today for the build. First of all, let me tell you about the CPU. Just now I've already told you, right, we'll be using Intel's all new Lake refresh CPUs only. That too specifically the Intel Core Ultra 7 270K plus. Now this is a 24 core 24 thread gaming monster CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5.4 GHz. Now this CPU is still based on the already existing architecture. Only thing is Intel has made some design changes and production process to squeeze out even more performance. Best thing about the CPU is the price to performance ratio. Intel has gone very aggressive with the pricing. We'll definitely come there and talk about, and is gonna give you like value for money kind of performance. I'm actually quite excited to put these CPUs to a test and see what sort of real world performance improvements we're getting compared to the competition, guys. So we'll be doing plenty of benchmarks, not only like productivity side but even gaming performance test in multiple AAA games, and see what sort of performance improvements we're seeing coming from the already existing Intel CPU. So definitely stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The motherboard we'll be using today is Asus ROG Strix Z890F gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, and honestly this is like a top-notch motherboard from the company, guys. It's got some crazy features on board and also some next level AI features as well. Look at the whole design. You're getting a beautiful design with ROG Strix pattern everywhere, and the whole RGB lighting is also customizable using their Armory Crate software. On board you're getting a robust power design with comprehensive cooling. Check out those chunky block of heatsinks on the VRM and also the chipset area. So at the beginning I've told you that the Strix Z890F comes with some advanced AI features, right? You're getting something called as AI overclocking, AI cooling too, and also AI networking too. So AI overclocking automatically recognizes the kind of chip you're using and tunes the CPU so you'll get like optimal sort of results. You're getting various system profiles available, guys, and simply depending on the scenario or your requirement, right, with a click of a button you can guess like best performance and push the system to its limits. Coming to AI cooling too, this feature auto balances both the thermals and acoustics of the build, all with a single click, guys. So depending on your requirement or the scenario, right, you can set it to different profiles. And last but not the least, you're also getting AI networking too. Now this feature analyzes your network and optimizes the bandwidth so you don't lose out on the performance. At the same time offers like a seamless and trustworthy connectivity, guys. So that was about the CPU and motherboard. And coming to GPU, at the beginning only I've told you, right, this is going to be like the most powerful gaming PC build we are building, and obviously it had to be an RTX 5090 GPU only, and that too the model we'll be using today is Asus ROG Astral RTX 5090, guys. This is a behemoth graphic card that can offer like crazy potential no matter what sort of AAA game you play, and that too at any resolution, 1440p or even 4K with ray tracing, DLSS frame generation. You are going to see some crazy good performance numbers. This is also their very first quad fan GPU, guys, and the whole quad fan design actually offers up to like 20% higher airflow and air circulation. Plus it also comes with a patented vapor chamber on board to keep the thermals in check. The RTX 5090 features 32 gigs of GDDR7 VRAM, so not only great for gaming, even if you want to use it for like productivity or AI related applications, right? It can easily handle all your requirements. Last but not the least, this particular card also offers like insanely good OC potential. You're getting this software called as Asus GPU Tweak 3, and using this you can easily apply overclocking profiles with a single click. You don't need to do any manual tweaking, trial or error method, nothing like that, guys. It'll automatically apply the best OC profiles depending on the model of the GPU that you're using. Coming to memory, we'll be using like 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, dual channel configuration, clocked at 7200 MT per second, guys. And the model is from G-Skill Trident Z5 RGB. So as I've told you at the beginning, Intel chips now officially support higher clocked RAM, right? So we'll be putting that to a test in this video. Pair that with like 2 TB of PCI Gen 5 SSD, guys, for best sort of speeds. And last but not the least, if you ask about the cooling power supply requirements, right? See, the chip that we're using is a brand new chip. That is the reason we'll be using like a 360mm powerful liquid cooler from ROG. This is ROG's Ryujin 3. It's a 360mm ARGB liquid cooler that offers top-notch cooling system. Plus, you're also getting like a fully customizable LCD display on board. And coming to power supply, see, for a configuration like this, I think 1000 watt power supply would be like more than sufficient and will get your job done. The model we'll be using today is again from Asus. This is the Tough Gaming 1000 watt gold rated newer gen ATX 3.1 compatible power supply. So that's it, the whole PC configuration. So without wasting any more time, let's actually get started with the whole assembling part. So boys, our PC is all done, and here's our very first look at our ultimate all ROG gaming PC build featuring Intel's Core Ultra 7 270K plus CPU. And boy oh boy, I have to say that is one heck of a beautiful looking gaming PC. I mean, check out the whole RGB lighting and the beautiful components on the inside. Absolutely breathtaking, right? The main highlight would be the GPU and the cooler. I mean, check out the size of this thing. ROG Astral RTX 5090 is a behemoth of its own. It's got beautiful RGB lighting, a fourth fan at the top side to keep it running cool, and insanely good OC potential. Just sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy these beautiful cinematic shots of the build. So boys, remember at the beginning I've told you that this is not just going to be about the PC build. In fact, I will be showing you like a full-on ROG Ultimate Gaming PC setup, and it will also include peripherals and a brand new OLED gaming monitor from ROG. First of all, have a look at the peripherals. We have a brand new keyboard and mouse. So this is ROG Strix Impact 3 Wireless. It's a wireless gaming mouse that features the signature ROG micro switches, which are extremely durable, offering up to like 70 million click durability. On board, you're getting 5 programmable buttons, and good thing is it's a super lightweight design, guys. Hardly weighs around like 57 grams only. Plus, since it being wireless, it'll offer like great battery life of around like 450 hours, runs on a single AA battery. Keeping that aside, coming to the keyboard, this is ROG Strix Scope 2 RX mechanical gaming keyboard, and the main highlight is it uses their signature optical mechanical switches, and that too, this is the ROG RX Red variant, which offers like a linear and swift sort of experience, guys. So keeping all of these aside, have a look at the brand new monitor from ROG. This is like a flagship level gaming monitor, guys, and featuring OLED panel on board. It's a 32 inches ROG Strix OLED gaming monitor and comes with 4K true black glossy OLED panel on board. You're literally getting like native 4K resolution with up to 240 Hz high refresh rate and also with up to 0.03 millisecond ultra fast response time. You know what? The kind of specs and features this monitor offers, right? I want to make like a separate video on this thing, guys. So stay tuned. I'll actually test out the gaming monitor for a couple of days and make a separate video on that. I know, this is a part you people have been waiting for, right? Vimal, come on, get on with the benchmarks and show us how does this powerful all ROG Ultimate Gaming PC actually performs in real world scenario. And to show you that, we will be doing variety of testings, guys. Not just synthetic benchmarks, we'll obviously run some AAA games as well at different resolution, 1440p, 4K resolution, and see how does this beast actually perform, what sort of FPS we will get. I've run Geekbench and also Cinebench as well. Just have a look at the scores, you'll get an idea where does Intel's all new Core Ultra 7 270K plus CPU stand compared to the already existing Intel Core Ultra platform. Alright, moving on, now let's get into the benchmark. So as I've told you at the beginning, we will be playing like different AAA games, that too at like multiple resolutions, 1440p, 4K resolution, that too with like ray tracing, DLSS, frame generation, and check out what sort of realistic numbers we can expect. Starting off the benchmarks with our all-time favorite Cyberpunk 2077. So right now we're playing this game at 1440p resolution and graphics preset set to very high, basically maxed out. In this first particular test, right, we're not using any NVIDIA technologies. I want to show you the raw rasterization potential of the hardware of this PC, guys. So quickly check out the scores. Right now we're playing the game at 1440p very high, no ray tracing, no upscaling technology, no frame generation, nothing like that, and still we were getting triple digit FPS, 160 to 165 FPS, guys. Oh my god, even without any upscaling we are getting these kind of results. Just imagine what will happen when you enable all of those upscaling technologies. We'll definitely come there in a moment, stay tuned. Overall gameplay feels like buttery smooth. I mean, check out the whole performance, guys. Must-car performance is what I can say. Quickly enabling ray tracing without using upscaling technologies, no DLSS, no frame generation, keeping the resolution and graphics preset same as before, and bam! Even with ray tracing enabled and set to high preset, right, we were still getting around like 95 to 100 FPS, guys, consistent triple digit FPS. Now let's quickly go to the settings and enable upscaling technologies, guys. DLSS 4.5 and multi-frame generation. Are you people looking at the numbers over there? 390 to 395 FPS. Sometimes even goes above 400 FPS also. What sort of monstrosity have we built? Good thing is our ROG OLED gaming monitor features like dual mode option, right? You can actually play the game at 4K resolution 240 or FHD at 480 FPS also. So you can simply set it to that FHD mode and fully enjoy the experience. Quickly bumping up the resolution from 1440p to 4K. Now this will be like a proper test for this PC setup. I mean, you know, most of the PCs can actually handle a bit of 1440p, but coming to 4K, it is not that easy. Let's see how the CPU and GPU combination fares in Cyberpunk at maximum graphics setting. So right now we're playing the game at 4K very high, no upscaling technologies, no ray tracing, and here are the results. Even with all of these settings, right, we were actually getting around like decent numbers. Look at that, 85 to 90 FPS on an average. But wait until we go to the settings and, you know, tweak with them and actually enable upscaling technologies, ray tracing and all of that, and there you go. Now these are the kind of numbers I was talking about. 240 to 250 FPS on an average, that too at 4K resolution, guys. Very high graphics preset with ray tracing. Absolutely mind-blowing performance is what I can say. Also, guys, quickly have a look at the CPU thermals as well at the top left corner. The CPU temperatures were fluctuating roughly around like 70 to 72 degrees, guys, and really goes up to like 73-74 degrees, which is quite acceptable. And on top of that, we are using like a powerful cooler from ROG, right, the Ryujin 3. It was doing a very well job and keeping the all new Intel Core Ultra 7 270K plus well within check. Not just Cyberpunk, I've also played multiple other games as well. So let's quickly boot up Horizon Forbidden West and check out the performance in this particular game also. So in this particular test, as I've told you, we're playing the game at 1440p very high, no upscaling technologies, no frame generation used, and we were roughly getting around like 160 to 165 FPS, guys. Raw potential of this hardware. Quickly enabling upscaling technologies like DLSS and frame generation as well. Bam! huge improvement in the results. Now we were getting almost like 250 to 260 FPS. Last but not the least, quickly bumping up the resolution to 4K, keeping the graphics same as before, and also DLSS and frame generation enabled, and still we were getting around like 200 plus FPS only, guys. Super satisfactory results. Alright then, time to wrap it up. This is what I wanted to show you all, guys. All ROG Ultimate Gaming PC build. In case if you also want to build a PC with a similar sort of theme, right, then only for the gaming PC it's gonna roughly cost you around like 6.5 to 7 lakh rupees. All the pricing details are right over here on the screen, guys. And not just gaming PC, in case if you want to add on the peripherals and gaming monitor also and make it like a full-on ROG setup, it's gonna roughly cost you around like 8.5 to 9 lakh rupees. I'll try to leave all the links for them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So what do you people think? Definitely share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.